really wanted to check on PYR. I actually haven't had done an update for it in a while. It's one of the projects that I'm really closely observing and very closely interested in. You know that I actually went to the conference last year, actually this year, sorry, but I'm nearly, in my head, this year is nearly over. Very excited about their universe, about the whole metaverse they've built, the chain, everything, PYR, Vulcan Forged, I love. It's a project that I would be looking to buy at all low levels, and these haven't really changed. We are retesting. We're close to retesting to 250, and that would be actually a fabulous. I would love this to play out to be our second leg of the W, and seeing this level be reclaimed would be a nice trade. Obviously, it all depends on the market, how it does. If you're approaching this as a day trader, again, it's a very, very clear invalidation. Many charts, I kind of had a quick sweep through them, are showing very similar setups to this one, with this little W nearly forming. It's one that it's easily invalidated if we go below those levels, obviously, where you can cut your trades, where you can just exit, obviously at some loss, with a day trade strategy if you have one set up. And then having that in mind, you can also wait for the levels to break down and maybe start to seeing a lower. What I am looking at here, I'm going to show you now. This is a weekly chart with the EMAs in place. You see that we're a good bit away from the 50, and these are a little bit, for my liking, too far away from each other. I would have liked a little bit more congestion here for this to give me a sign. Maybe there's some move to upside up coming. That's not to say, like I said, we can come back up here, or there's several scenarios. Obviously, the market will do whatever it wants to do. We can just stay in the range and keep kind of ranging, just building a stronger support here, or eventually just breaking down, going lower, we're testing lower levels, or eventually basically creating that W, and coming up to reclaim this candle up to about 40 cents. That's a weekly chart. Going in on the daily, I will show you. Actually, this is interesting where I drew this, and I'm gonna remove that now anyway. You see this candle here to about 450. So if we get to see this come up here, obviously it would need to tackle this 50 EMA. It most likely is going to come up here to become a resistance, even stronger resistance level, with this line, and the EMA kind of coming as a confluence and giving the strength to it. So if we break above this red candle, retest that, would be a very good trade to get into and grab that 450 liquidity here. And long term, super bullish. Long term, why not look into this a little bit more? Go back, sorry, to the weekly. You see my levels of interest, $2.20, $2 in around kind of like psychological levels, so every maybe 50 cents. This is a very strong project in my opinion. I've done several trades about it. I've covered them on YouTube here several times as well. Really, really like what they're doing, how complex, how many partnerships there are, how they are basically joining the real world with cryptocurrency world, with fashion, with gaming. It's amazing. A lot of money there in those industries. This for me personally has a very big potential in the coming years. And I don't look at cryptocurrency only in terms of a quick trade. I love that. It gives me a thrill. I'm a bit of a gambler, but I look at cryptocurrency, and you've heard me maybe, or if you haven't heard me talk about it, in general, I do think there's no stopping it. I'm very, very bullish. Good projects, solid projects will be in our lives for good. We'll be using crypto across all of our aspects in life, and some people won't even be aware of it. So I think that's it for PYR. I really wanted just to give you guys a quick update. I hope this was helpful. If you liked it, if you have any thoughts about it, please give me some likes, comments, and subscribe to my channel.